Hello dear students, in the previous class we learned the definition of pair of linear equation and the general form of pair of linear equation and some of the examples for the pair of linear equations. In this class we are going to learn the different types of pair of linear equations, that are inconsistent pair of linear equation as well as a consistent pair of linear equation. So observe the below figure, the first one. So the first one in the graph there are two parallel lines. Okay, the equations, the pair of linear equations having a parallel lines, okay, they form no solution, that having a no solution, that we call it as a inconsistent pair of linear equations. Then we move on to the consistent pair of linear equation. In consistent pair of linear equation that contains one or more solution, either may be forming intersecting lines or coinciding lines. Okay, again in consistent pair of linear equation there are two types: independent pair of linear equation as well as dependent pair of linear equation. For independent pair of linear equations that contains only one solution, and the dependent pair of linear equations that contain infinitely many solutions. Then look at the table. Okay, so first one, the pair of linear equations, the general form you know that a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If the ratios a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the graphical representation of those pair of linear equations will be intersecting lines and that contains exactly one solution. For example, x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Then second one, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the graphical representation will be coincidence lines. Okay, and also that contain infinitely many solution. For example, the pair of linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. Then the third one, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, then the graphical representation will be parallel lines and the algebraic interpretation will be they having a no solution. For example, x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and then 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. These are the three different comparison ratios of the pair of linear equations that are very important. Then we shall move on to the exercise 3.2. Consider the question number 1. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. In this class, I consider the first problem, that is 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. First you have to represent the statement in algebraical form. That is, let the number of girls will be x and the number of boys will be taken as y. According to the question, the algebraic representation is x plus y is equal to 10. That is, the number of boys as well as girls is equal to how much? 10. And then another equation will be x minus y is equal to 4, because the number of girls will be 4 more than the number of boys. Again, for the equations x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 4, by solving those two equations we get, so x is equal to 10 minus y, then substitute the values of x as 5, 4 as well as 6, we get the value of y as 5, 6 and 4. Similarly, for the second equation, x minus y is equal to 4, and we can take as x is equal to 4 plus y, and substituting the values of x 5, 4, 3, we get the values of y as 1, 0, minus 1. In this way, we can take the values of x and y. Okay, take homework as so represent these points in graph. Then we move on to the question number 2. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, comma b1 by b2, comma c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations at a point are parallel or coincident. Okay, the first one, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. The solution will be like that. So, by comparing those two equations with the general form, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, we get the value of a1 is equal to 5 and b1 is minus 4 and c1 will be 8 and the value of a2 will be 7, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. By comparing the given equations to the what? So the general form of linear equation. Then the ratio of a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7 and the ratio of b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6 and has also be written as minus 2 by 3, since we get the value of a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Hence the lines representing the given pair of linear equations having unique solution and the pair of line intersect at exactly one point. The remaining problems take as homework.